So at the moment we're on our way to the owner's shed. We may have hit a bit of a snag, as you can see.
We're standing in a river in the middle of the road.
And look at the guy. We think we've done something wrong. We can't remember if pipes go on top or on bottom of the water. It's so lost the carriage. Yeah. So lads. Oh yeah.
Yeah, not too far more. Keep going there, lads.
Don't drop your phone, stay left, so you follow.
Right, nearly there. Not a little bit. Alright.
We might not be able to get more water. So, basically we came to a flood.
Fairly deep.
It was a lot longer than we thought it was. I say in total nearly half a K.
Yeah.
We passed this other fella. His name was Noah. He said, fuck it, I'm going to run back again. But the Skoda made it through.
By the Skoda.
A lot of
so,
there's more water up ahead of us.
Is there?